Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna go on to vlogtober number, I think it's number 5. So anyways, I'm gonna start my day, just showered, getting ready to go downstairs and have a little breakfast. And then I need to go to the Dollar Tree, but I have to go to my doctor's appointments. I have 2 doctor's appointments in the same office, but different things. So yeah, maybe after I get off of there, I'll do a little vlogging, maybe going to the store or something. I don't know. But let's just start this vlogtober. Let me tell you guys that my son is burning this candle and it smells so good. It smells like blueberry pancakes. Exactly what it says, blueberry maple pancakes. Oh, it smells delicious. Whew, it's hot. Okay, I've been on the phone all morning with my doctors and with my insurance company. With, you guys know that if you guys go to doctor's appointments and stuff, the insurance and the payments and all that is just a nightmare. But anyways, I was on the phone with my doctor. They called me. They canceled one appointment. Then they called me back again, and then they canceled another one. And then we were going back and forth, and then they couldn't squeeze me in. So cut a long story short, today's appointment got canceled. I had 2 more. I had the one and then the one after that one, and then I had another one for tomorrow, but they canceled basically all 3 of them, all 3 appointments. But now I am going to, they rescheduled it for next week. So, oh my goodness. And it's a different location. So now I have to try to find where that is at. Anyways, all this is a nightmare and I can't wait for it to be over. I'm trying as hard to do my part in losing the weight and in basically, you guys, okay, so I'm going to tell you, here's the deal. I have a lot of things going on right now health wise. One of the things that they are looking into is my heart. I've had some issues there, and the other is my thyroid. I have the thyroid disease, and so it's really hard for me right now to try to lose weight. And it has a lot to do with that, with the thyroid. And I also have my cholesterol. It's really high. There's other things going on. I have all kinds of things going on right now, and I just need to get better. Yeah, it's expensive to get sick. It really is. It's better just to be healthy and try to eat as healthy as possible. Maybe not work out every day if you don't like to work out, but at least go for walks, you know, maybe help your health just a little bit. I don't know. I'm also pre-diabetic. I have a lot of things going on. So yeah, I guess it's just, you know, sometimes even if you're healthy, I mean, things just, they just happen. But that is, yeah, that sucks. So it's my fault. You know, I needed to take better care of myself. So I'm trying. I feel better, actually. I've been feeling much better. I went to the dermatologist last week, and actually no, a few days ago. I went to the dermatologist a few days ago, and took care of some issues there as well. But he finally gave me something for this, these spots, the hyperpigmentation, the melasma, and so thank God that's supposed to get here today. Hopefully, they're gonna deliver that today. But anyway, yeah, you guys, I have a lot of stuff going on right now, and it's exhausting going to all these doctor's appointments, and it's just exhausting, but it's worth it because I'm getting better. But of course, then they cancel it, and oh my gosh, and you know, you have to fast on certain things, so you can't. It's just horrible. Anyways, I can't wait to be done with this. I want to be done with this already. All right, that's enough of my rambling. You guys don't want to hear that. I'm going to be going to Walmart. I need to go get some stuff, and if there's anything new and good that I see, I will record it for you guys. But other than that, I don't think there's really much. Today's basically one of those days where I don't really have a lot to do, but I'll try to find some stuff to do so I can show you guys. And then of course, I have my green tea. Try drinking green tea at least twice a day. I want to do it at least, I want to do 3 times a day, but sometimes I can't. I'll do twice a day, and it helps. It helps with the weight loss. So yeah. All right. All right, you guys. So let me find something to do so I can record something for you guys. Okay, let me show you guys my disastrous craft room. It's embarrassing. Look at this, you guys. I mean, I've been going through all my stuff in here, and yeah, this is embarrassing. So much mess that I have here. Look at this. I mean, yeah, I have a huge mess here. So I need to get in here and clean up in here. I need to purge some stuff in here as well. Just all kinds of stuff that I have going on here. Look at this. I have a whole bunch of these train cases that I was going to not upcycle, but just change them. You know, I was going to clean them off really good and then maybe use the Cricut to do a few things on their stickers for it and then sell them. But they're still there. I mean, I had my big table here that I took downstairs because the other one we had downstairs broke. And yeah, I need to get this cleaned up in here. This is embarrassing. I was going through all my stuff that I have here. Look at this. And then behind the door here, I have this wreath that I haven't finished. I went and I bought the mesh to finish it off. As you guys can see right here, I'm missing like mesh. And I haven't even done that. And this is one of the Dollar Tree wreath forms, the wire form, the big one. I can't remember the inches. I think it was at 20 inches. I think it was. So yeah, I have that I have to finish my laundry. I'm doing laundry right now. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Walmart right now, and then later on tonight, I'll definitely clean this up because I need to go through a lot of stuff. I had stuff here that I wanted to do. Projects with DIYs, but I don't think I'm gonna get to those. Like these little ghosts that I had here. I had even bought some of these rings here. I bought some more of these at Dollar Tree. And then I definitely got one of these again because I want to do another little elf wreath, but a female. And if you guys want to see a tutorial on that, just leave it on the comments below. I will link the one that I did using this from Dollar Tree below. I'll link it in the bottom in the description box. I made one last year for my husband. It's a little elf wreath that I made him using these from Dollar Tree, this little headband. So I might do another one. But if you guys want to see that, just leave it in the comments below. Okay, you guys. So I am going to go to Walmart right now and buy some stuff. And if there's anything new to see, then I will show you guys. Okay, so let's go to Walmart. So I came to a different Walmart and look at what they have. These cute witches with the crystal little ball. These are $10.97, but they also have some other stuff that I hadn't seen before. Watch, like this cat here. And oh, these guys here that are really big, these blow molds. You could barely see them turn on. Isn't that cool? Look at Snoopy. Oh, how cute. Then look at these. These are cool. Oh, these are glass. Those are really nice. That's glass there. And then, oh, look at this tray here. That's $3.98. And then these mugs, $3.86. And then look at these plates here. And those skulls. Those are $1.48. They also have these here, these little witch legs. They're each a pick for $2.88. And look at this. Oops. Please stop in for a spell. That's cute. $5.34. And then these are $4.98. There's that. And then that one. I hadn't seen these at my I'm not Dollar Tree, at my Walmart. These are $11.88. Look at their Jack Skellingtons. I don't remember if I saw Harry Potter's. Look at this big tray. This is a really nice tray. It's a plastic tray, but it is $3.98. I love this tray. This is nice. Ah, dropping stuff here. And then they have these plastic bowls and this guy there. Plus they have a spider one there. What else do they have? This is cute. Don't drink and fly. That's cute. Okay, so this is what they have here. And they have these adorable pillows. Look at these. These are pretty decent size. They're big. Pumpkin patch, pumpkins, apples, and hay rides. And see if I can get this one out. And this one says Hey Pumpkin, and it has the 3 pumpkins on there. And this one, it says So Very Thankful, and they're $11.87. Alright, so Walmart's bringing out their Christmas ornaments, and I have a few of these. These are $1.98, but look at this one. Look at how cute this one is. Oh my goodness. I do not need any more ornaments, but and look at this. I love my little nutcrackers and my toy soldiers. Little elfie feet. Okay, so it looks like they're still putting out stuff. So, yeah, they have a few things here. Really nice. Let's see what else. Alright, look at these picks. Aren't they cute? These are $3.48. And then they also have these for $3.48, the little gnomes. Those are so adorable. Those are gonna sell out quick. Alright, so this mesh is $7.98. It's Christmas mesh, but look, you can still use it for like Halloween. This one, or this one. It's not bad. Okay, it looks like they're still taking out stuff, so I'm not going to be able to get everything in here, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of what they have out there. Alright, so I have to show you guys. Look at the Grinch stuff. Look at how cute. I need to stop saying cute. Look at how nice. $14.98. They have all this here. The Rudolph and the Grinchy stuff. Right here. A little Grinchy. So adorable. I like these guys here. You can make a wreath with this. Oh, they have different ones. They have that one. And then they have that one. And it looks like here they have this one. But they also have Merry Grinchmas. That's cute. I like that. And that one is the same price, $5.98. Okay. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Nice. Alright. Can we say adorable? Look at these Christmas tree toppers. Big snowman head. Oh my word. That is so sweet. And they have his top hat. I love this. And look, they even have an elf one. I love that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These are $12.98. And they have a Santa Claus one. Oh look, they have this one too, the little feet like that. That one looks like it's, yeah, $17.98 for that one. They have the gnome. And then they have the hats here. Oh my goodness. Too cute. Look at this. They have a life-size Mickey on here. Doesn't say how much he is, but yeah, he's a big Mickey Mouse. They have it next to Santa Claus. Oh, it's $89 for this Mickey. He's 2.6 feet tall. Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you what I picked up. Not much. I went to Walmart, like I showed you guys, and then the only thing that I bought that was Halloween were these adorable witch towels, kitchen towels. They were 98 cents each, so I had to pick up 2 of those. I love them. They look so nice.
I'm not going to use them. These are going to be for purely decoration purposes. So I can use them. So I can use them every year. I love these. These are so adorable. All right, and then I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up this little elf ribbon. So I got that. And then I picked up these adorable little felt gingerbreads, and I wasn't going to get them, but I said, you know what? If I don't get it, I know I'm going to kick myself later, and I'm just going to get it, and I'll find a purpose for them. Then they brought out their movies, and I know my husband likes this one, Chips. I think it's funny. And these two together are just hilarious. And they had it in Blu-ray, and for $1, I was like, yes, I will take it. And then they didn't have this one in Blu-ray. Too bad, because I like the Insidious movies. And, oops, I have it upside down. And they had the Insidious Chapter 3. So I'm missing the second one. So I just need to get the second one. But I do like these movies. So that was Dollar Tree. And then at 99-cent store, look at how cute these these tissues. These are tissues. It's not like a known brand. This is the brand. But I like the packaging. I like the box. So I got 2 of those to have around the house. Lately, I've been having some serious nosebleeds. I do not know why, but they're like turning on a faucet and they just been coming like crazy. So I need to have some tissue around the house. And then I found these egg noodles for my boys. They like this type of stuff. So I don't know if they're any good, but I bought it for them so they can make like their chow mein. So I got them this egg noodles. It is a 14-ounce bag for $1. It's not bad. And then I bought myself some dates, pitted dates. I've never tasted these, but they say they're good for me. So I bought a small little bag. And the other thing that they had were these scrubby brushes. Yeah, they're the cleaning brushes. And they had them in like different colors. And they had one pink, and I like the pink. And then I got the gray. And they're wood. These are wood handles, and the bristles are pretty thick. Not thick. They're pretty hard, which I like. And so I'm gonna keep one by the sink. And then the last thing, which is the main reason why I went to the 99-cent store, was to get the chain that my son wants for his Freddy Krueger wreath. So I'm gonna update his wreath. Maybe I'll show you guys. Not maybe. I will. I'll show you guys that on the next vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on his Freddy Krueger one. But anyways, that was today, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog now. Oh, it's been a long day. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.